Waxing your face. Sounds painful. Icing your skin? Sounds refreshing. But doing both, that's what I tried, and what happened might change your skincare routine forever. Stay until the end, especially if you live in dry or cold climates like Canada or Sweden, because your skin could react very differently, like unexpectedly different. Why I even tried this combo. TikTok plus Instagram made it look too easy. I was tired of dull skin, needed a reset. Influencers in LA and London swore by it. I thought, what could go wrong? Waxing first, instant glow or skin shock. Remove peach fuzz equals makeup sits better. Opens pores, bad timing for icing, stinging, redness, oh yeah. It came. Tid. Patch test on a small area first. The ice cube moment. What it feels like. Cold therapy tightens skin temporarily. In NYC and Berlin, people use it for puffiness, shrinks pores but can overdo it. Don't use straight from freezer, wrap it. My skin reaction within 30 minutes, tight, but not in a good way. Red patches equals over exfoliated. Felt like a sunburn with frostbite. Moisturizing mistakes I made. Skipped barrier repair cream. Used scented lotion, bad move. Should have gone for ceramide based. Skin in dry climates like New Zealand equals extra sensitive. Science behind waxing plus icing. Waxing exfoliates dead skin cells. Icing causes blood vessels to constrict together, confusing signals to your skin. Dermatologists in Australia warn. Don't mix too quickly. Safer alternatives I learned it too late. Huel Shaw plus aloe gel equals glow without trauma. Enzyme masks instead of waxing. Ice rollers, not cubes, with gentle serum. Hydrating sheet masks post-waxing. How to actually do it the right order. Wax greater than wait 24 hours greater than ice. Use calming toner like chamomile. Hydrate deeply before and after. Sunscreen essential if you live in sunny places like California or Sydney. The myth of pore shrinking. Icing can minimize temporarily. Pores don't permanently shrink. Genetics plus age play a huge role. Misleading filters give false expectations. How skin type plus climate matter. Oily skin common in UK urban areas handles it better. Dry skin Nordic regions equals more risk. Humid places like Florida equals different reaction. What I'd never do again. Never combine on the same day. No chemical exfoliants 48 hours before or after. Skip makeup for 24 hours after waxing. Always do a cold compress test spot. My final verdict. Glow up or setback. Glow. Yes, but only after skin healed. Would I recommend it? Depends on your skin type and prep. If you're in a colder climate, Canada, Norway, be cautious. Listen to your skin, not just trends. Why ice cubes from tap water may be harming your skin. Chlorine and minerals irritate sensitive skin. Why ice cubes from tap water may be harming your skin. Chlorine and minerals irritate sensitive skin. Filtered water cubes are safer. Herbal infused ice, for example, green tea, is trending as silicone traced to avoid bacteria buildup. Waxing and sun exposure equals recipe for disaster. UV rays worsen post-wax redness can cause pigmentation in melanin-rich skin. Sunscreen is non-negotiable after waxing. Indoor lighting in Germany and Sweden also emits UV. Why some DIY wax recipes burn skin. Sugar wax overheats quickly. Microwave wax lacks temperature control. Natural does not equal always safe. Always test on wrist first. Ice made from aloe vera juice. Skin saving hack. Cools and heals at once. Reduces inflammation faster than plain ice. Common in Korean beauty routines. Store in freezer. Safe cubes. Reaction differences. Hot wax versus cold wax. Hot wax opens pores more. Cold wax is gentler but less effective. Climate matters. Cold wax better in tropical countries. In colder climates, hot wax may cause more irritation. Skin barrier recovery after icing. Use ceramide creams. Non-branded example. Oat-based. Avoid alcohol-based toners. Humidifier helps, especially in Canada's dry winter. Skin barrier equals top priority. How moisturizer ingredients react to icing. Glycerin-based absorbs faster. Occlusives like petrolatum trap cold in. Aloe cools, but may sting. Damage skin. Use post-ice, not before. Prepping skin before waxing matters more than you think. Exfoliate gently 24 hours before. Avoid coffee, it can heighten pain. Hydrate the skin internally. Drink water. No retinol or actives. 2 days prior. Benefits of icing in morning versus night. AM. Reduces puffiness before makeup. PM. Calm skin after a long day. Evening use is better in warm climates. Morning use in UK or Nordics equals shock to skin. Ingrown hairs and ice. Don't mix. Ice doesn't treat them, exfoliation does. Aloe plus salicylic acid better for this. Don't ice irritated follicles. Wax with hair growth, not against it. Stress is skincare equals underrated connection. Stress flare skin sensitivity. Try breath work before waxing. Cold exposure can stimulate vagus nerve. Urban lifestyle. NYC London increases cortisol. Risks of icing to lawn. Ice burn risk after 2+ minutes. 30 seconds per zone is safe. Use 15-minute breaks between sessions. Skincare while traveling with waxed ice. Skin plan. Waxing 3 days before flying. Pressurized cabins dry out skin. Bring barrier cream in travel kit. Avoid long-haul icing. Skin is more reactive. How to spot a bad reaction. Itching equals possible allergy. Burning equals barrier is compromised. Red bumps equals folliculitis. Budget-friendly aftercare products. Plain yogurt mask equals natural calming. Oatmeal paste helps soothe skin. Rose water tone equals great for inflammation. Drugstore aloe gel equals underrated. Should you shave instead? Less trauma to skin. Barrier doesn't remove dead skin like wax. Safer option for reactive skin. Frequent upkeep require. Regional concerns. Why climate alters outcome. Humid places, for example, Florida, Queensland equals more sweat, more breakouts. Dry areas, for example, Alberta, Norway equals more flaking. Urban pollution affects healing. Post-waxing can seal in trapped dirt if not clean. Why lemon in wax is risky. Natural acid increases photosensitivity, can burn freshly waxed skin. Avoid if skin is already inflamed. Common mistake in DIY recipes. Ice roller versus ice cube. Which is safer? Ice rollers are reusable plus sanitary. Cubes can harbor bacteria. Rollers apply even pressure. Choose one based on sensitivity. Nose, chin, jawline. Each area reacts differently. Chin holds more or less irritation. Nose is sensitive to cold exposure. Jawline equals hormonal. Acne zone. Target each zone with care. Facial massage post-ice increases blood flow. Lymphatic drainage reduces puffiness. Always use clean hands or tool. Combined with calming serum. Ingredients to avoid post-ice: alcohol, fragrance, retinol, vitamin C. Unless stabilized, can you ice daily? Safe if done briefly. Overuse causes barrier fatigue. Combined with recovery nights. Better every 2 to 3 days. Best days to try it: not before big events. Give yourself a 48-hour buffer. Avoid during hormonal cycle. For women, weekend recovery is ideal. Post-wax cleaning mistakes: don't exfoliate right after. Don't use hot water. Avoid saunas or steam rooms. Use gentle micellar water. Double cleansing before waxing, yes or no? Only if wearing makeup. Oil cleanse plus gentle foam is best. Clean skin equals smoother wax. Ice facials and spas versus DIY. Professional ones include cryotherapy. Controlled temperature equals lower risk. DIY cheaper but less precise. Spas in Canada and Germany offer targeted treatments. Skin testing before new routines. Test behind ear or jaw. Wait 24 hours for reaction. Do this with all masks. Oral is especially important in dry regions. Viral trends that go wrong. Don't follow TikTok blindly. Customize to your skin type. What works in LA might fail in Finland. Skin is personal, not one size fits all. When to see a dermatologist. Persistent redness breakouts that last week's texture changes. Heat after waxing can trigger breakouts. Avoid hot showers for 24 hours. Sweating clogs freshly opened pores. Skip gym or hot yoga temporarily. Use a cooling gel if redness appears. Cryotherapy versus at-home ice. What's the difference? Cryotherapy uses dry cold liquid nitrogen. Ice uses wet cold. Higher risk of frostbite. Cryo sessions are quick and sterile. Best timing for waxing in your skin cycle right after your period equals S sensitivity. Avoid 3 to 5 days before menstruation. Hormonal changes equals higher pain threshold. Variation. Skin is most stable mid-cycle. Clean tools matter. How dirty towels cause breakouts. Bacteria spreads from reused towels. Use a fresh, soft microfiber cloth pad. Dough rub after icing or waxing. Wash with fragrance-free detergent. Hydration habits that help post-wax glow. Drink 2 to 3 L water daily. Especially in drier climates, coconut water replenishes electrolytes. Topical hydration plus internal hydration equals glow. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.